Okay, right now in question 11, they said that in the diagram below, C, D, and M are points on the circle. MCD, angle MCD equals to X. Then KD is a tangent to the circle at D. E is a point on DK. EM is another tangent to the circle at M. And angle KME equals to X plus 45 degrees. And angle EKM is equals to 2X minus 40 degrees. Now, to actually determine the value of X, before we can even try to do anything, we're going to need to do a construction. And that construction is actually going to be DM. So that is the construction that we're gonna do. So we're gonna say construction DM. All right. Now the reason for that is because you're actually gonna see this. Why we're actually saying that. Now the reason why I'm saying that we had to do a construction of DM is actually that we're gonna actually use a 10 chord theorem. Now according to the 10 chord theorem, can you see that sorry, can you see that if you're gonna take this and you go there and you go there and you go there, can you now also see that angle D, that one angle EMDE, is actually gonna be equals to that one? And also can you see that angle, this one, is also gonna be actually equals to X because of 10 chord theorem? All right, so now let's do that. So we're gonna say angle MDE, or angle MDE, right? So I'm gonna say angle MDE, so I'm gonna say angle MDE equals to angle C, right? MDE equals to angle C, and the reason for that is gonna be 10 chord theorem. All right, so basically that is gonna be equals to X, and then also that angle DME is also going to be equals to angle C, and the reason for that is also going to be 10 chord theorem. Alright, so that's going to be actually equals to C. And then now what we can do, so now we can say in triangle, ne? In triangle DEM, right? In triangle DEM, angle DEM, angle DEM is going to be equals to 180 degrees minus MDE minus DME, and the reason for that is going to be interior angles of a triangle, right? So basically that answer over there, it's 180 minus 2x, and then so fast, and then so if we found that the angle of DEM is actually 180 minus 2x, now we're gonna try to find the angle of MEK, right? So now I'm gonna say angle MEK, right, is gonna be equals to 180 minus angle DEM, and the reason for that is gonna be angles on a straight line, right? So it's gonna be 180 minus 180 minus 2x. So basically that's just gonna be 2x. Now, so now I can now say that in triangle MEK, right? In triangle MEK, angle in triangle MEK, it means that now angle MEK plus given those angle plus given KME, right, plus EKM, they must all be equals to 180 degrees, and the reason for that is going to be interior angles of a triangle. Right, now remember MEK, we just find it to be 2x. Then we're going to say plus KME is given as x plus 45, so that's going to be x plus 45 degrees, and then EKM is given as 2x minus 2. It's given as 2x minus 40 degrees, and then all of that should be equals to 180. Now we're going to collect the like terms. The like terms is 2x, x, and then 45 and minus 40. Right, so if you collect those like terms, it's going to be 2 plus 1 plus 2, which is going to be 5x. Right, so it's going to be 5x, and then if you say 45 minus 40, you're going to get 5 degrees. So it's going to be plus 5 degrees equals to 180. Take the 5 to the other side, equals to, so you're going to say 180 minus 5, which is 175 degrees. Then you're going to divide both sides by 5. Yes, and then if you divide both sides by 5, the answer that you should actually get that your x is actually going to be 35 degrees. All right. The way that I went about it, I actually went about it in the way of trying to find I actually went the way about it of trying to add that angle, those angles being equals to 180 to find x. But you could have actually used exterior angle of a triangle. That angle there, if that angle there is going to be equals to you adding this and adding that, basically, and then you should have an answer at the end. So basically it's that angle. I mean that I'm using a different color, red. I mean that, remember DEM, right? We found it to be 180 minus 2x, right? So remember I said that you're gonna say that's gonna be equals to adding x plus 45 plus 2x minus 40 degrees, and the reason is gonna be exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior angle of a triangle. And then yeah, if you did all of that, basically you should have came to the same answer, which is gonna be 35 degrees. So it's up to you whether you could have chosen this way or you could have chosen the other way. But the most important thing there was the construction and you finding those angles there. From there onwards, immediately after finding DME, it was all up to you in which way you were going to try to prove that x is going to be 35 degrees. Either finding that angle and then adding them up so that they can equate to 180, or equating that angle to you adding those two angles. It's up to you. But I hope that's clear and understandable to you. Okay.